about time. Time gets in the way, fades into the wind. Days roll into days. She's got nothing to hide, and she hides it so well. Keeps broken dreams to fix up and sell. Damaged by love, damaged by love. So young, damaged by love. There's a rain on the road, and the faithful have gone. In a crowd all alone, walking round in the sun. Damaged by love, damaged by love. So young, damaged by love. Eyes down at my door, and she holds out her hand. I love you so deep, but you can't understand. Whoa, I'm damaged by love, damaged by love. So young, damaged by love. So young, damaged by love.
Hey there, folks. Welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. Tonight we'll be discussing Damaged by Love. It's by Tom Petty on his Highway Companion album, his last solo album. I really love it. So many acoustic tracks. I've talked about it before, so I won't go into it again. But it's a great album if you don't know it. I know it's kind of one of Tom's lesser-known albums, but Highway Companion. So the song we're going to be covering today is Damaged by Love. Now, I'm using a capo on the 2nd fret. That is purely optional. You could play this chord, very easy chords. We'll get through it in a minute. You could play this without a capo in the key of A major. I put a capo on 2. I'm going to play with a G shape. I'm going to play, again, with a G shape in A major. So I'm going to call the chords with the capo. The guitar is in standard tuning. There's just a couple of chords. It's a real, another classic, simple, beautiful Tom Petty song. So let's get right into it. We're going to start with the G again with the capo on 2. You can see it there. So we're just going to start with the G to an E minor, to an A minor, to a D. And that's all the verse, right? So it's just G to an E minor, to an A minor, to a D. That's the verse. That's all you need. And now damaged by love, C, back to G, damaged by C, back to G, so D, back to C, damaged by love, G. That's it, folks. I'm going to leave you there under 5 minutes. That's all you need to play the rhythm guitar part. Again, you could take the capo off and just play an A. I think it's a little easier and it sounds a little prettier, I think, to put the capo on 2 and play with the G shape. But whatever you want to do is fine. You can play it another way as well. Thank you, folks, for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you next Saturday night for another Tom Petty lesson.